Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use AI to repair your own credit in 4 simple steps. So let's dive in. First, you need to have a good look at your credit report. Most people watching probably use Credit Karma. It's free, but it only shows 2 bureaus and gives you what's called your Vantage score. For a more comprehensive review, you're going to want to consider things like MyScoreIQ, which will show you your FICO score, or CreditHeroScore, which will show you your Vantage score. The reason why is because it's going to show you all 3 bureaus, so you can look across the board and see what's inaccurate on each one. They offer a 7-day trial for just $1, and then after that, it's typically between $20 and $32. They have different price levels. After that, you want to move on to step 2, which is finding and highlighting errors in your credit report. Once you have your credit report, you look for errors. Common mistakes include closed accounts showing as inaccurate, balance or as open, on-time payments being marked as late, payment history, inconsistencies, incorrect balances, you name it. Whenever any part of your credit report is not being reported exactly the same across all 3 bureaus, it is in fact inaccurate. And believe it or not, more than 80% of the people watching this video right now have inaccuracies in their credit report. Step 3 would be going ahead and using the laws to leverage the inaccuracies and have them removed. So you use the laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act to allow you to dispute any inaccuracies in your credit report and have them corrected. This is where AI can be a useful tool, such as having it review your credit reports for you, and the last part, step 4, using ChatGPT to, of course, either look for these errors or draft these letters for you to dispute this information. So you would go ahead and use the prompt, which I'll go ahead and attach to the description below. And once you use that particular prompt with the information that you gathered from your credit reports that is inaccurate, you have to realize that you have to prompt GPT. So the more information it has, the better it will go ahead and respond. So there you have it, 4 simple ways to repair your credit using AI by reviewing your credit report, identifying errors, leveraging the law, and using AI to draft these dispute letters. You can take control of your credit and improve your financial health. If you found that this video was helpful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let's get that credit score up together.